What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dead Eyes by Powfu. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's only got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. If you need the guitar tab, I've made one for the song and put it in the video description, so if you need it, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description, it's there for you. Your first chord is going to be an E minor bar chord. You just need your index finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the high B string. And you're just alternate picking your A, and your G, and your B. I'm using my index finger on my G string, my middle finger on my B string, and my thumb on the A. And you're gonna be picking those strings just like that throughout all of these chords. So A, G and B, A, G and B, 4 times. Then you're gonna go to this version of a C. Now technically, the full chord would be 3 on A, and then 5, 5, 5 on your D, G, and B. It'll be much easier and more beginner friendly if you just put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the G string and your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B string and your index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And you just pick that the same way 4 times. Slide that exact same formation down to 10 on A, and then 12 on both G and B. Pick the same thing 4 times. And slide that exact same formation down to D, which is 5 on A, 7 on G and B. Let's pick it the exact same way. And that just repeats throughout the entire song. So from the top. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then, once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.